Hi Anup, how are you?
I am good. Hi, Roshni.
It's been quite a long time since we've seen each other face to face.
Yes, absolutely. And I was calculating that today is my 87th day at home. Yeah.
I think I have surpassed that. I've crossed 90.
What are you saying? But
Yeah,
you can work from home. Yeah. You can still work from home. We can't work from home.
I know. I think that's the tough part of being
Yeah.
an
Yeah.
actor. So Anup, tell me, do you think Crime Patrol shooting is going to start sometime soon?
Uh, See, actually, it all depends on how the guidelines are being made, how the conditions are being put up. Because see, if you see my part of the anchor shooting, that can be done today also because my shooting has maximum 7 to 8 people. That's it. It's like me, a makeup guy, a spot person, a sound recordist, a cameraman, and one assistant. So max between 6 to 8. That's about it. So
Uh,
as soon as they are being able to start the shooting for the stories, then I think my part will also start shoot. But I have a feeling that whatever I start, because there is some pending work which, a few films I was doing. Like before the lockdown, I was shooting in Meerut
yeah.
for an independent film which was supposed to be a festival film. I was almost 75% work was done, and just 5 to 8 days work was left of mine. So that I have to go and complete. Then there was a film for an OTT platform where I was playing the lead role, where I was supposed to go to Jaipur for 25 days
Yeah.
and in April. That is also postponed now. So these are the projects which will start as soon as the regular shooting starts. But anchoring part can be done anytime clothes are ready because that doesn't take too much of time of mine also, and plus it's a very controlled shoot.
So Anup, what do you think is the road ahead for the industry? Whether the television industry, film industry, uh, web shows, where do you see things heading now?
Actually, very difficult to predict, but I feel if we maintain the conditions or the guidelines which are supposed to be taken care during this Corona time of social distancing and all, I think that can be shoot wise that can be done in daily soaps. Because if you see a daily soap medium, a daily soap format is a very close medium format. You don't see too many long shots, you don't see too many physical closeness in that. For example, if it's a family drama, family is sitting in the bedroom or in the hall in the living room and they are all are chatting, so you have the one establishing shot where five people are sitting, uh, and then you go to the close-ups.
That's
So I think that format can start will start very early. That's the earliest that's the only product which will start earlier. But I doubt about the regular shoots and stories for OTT and for films. I don't know. That will take time because you can't just change the stories accordingly. How much you can avoid touching each other, or characters will not hug each other, whether it's an emotional scene or or it's an intimate scene, or stories shooting on different roads, outside India, outside within India, outside Bombay. So I think uh, those kind of stories will take time to start on a very regular level. You can make one lockdown film. You can't make every film, um, you know uh, with the conditions that, oh, there is a social distancing has to be maintained and other guidelines have to be maintained. You can't make, otherwise all the films are going to look the same.
that's right.
So I think that will take some time to start.
Certainly, maybe a few months for sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, Anup, I remember a few months ago, before the lockdown, of course, you were telling me how this is such a good time for actors because today you've got different mediums that have opened up. You essentially are an actor. Of course, you're hugely popular as Crime Patrol's anchor, but we all know that acting is so close to your heart. So, are you happy with the kind of roles that have come your way in, say, in the last 1 year or so?
Yes, I remember this conversation we had because this is a very normal thing. When something of yours, like any kind of work, which becomes very popular, people relate you to that particular program. People remember you because of that. So I am not complaining about it, but yes, Crime Patrol has played a very, very big role in my life, and people know me. People shower a lot of love on me, and there's a lot of credibility around that program also. So that has given me a lot of respect. But I think people forgot that I'm an actor too. You know, I'm not an anchor. Anchor is just a job which I was doing as an actor, but I'm primarily an actor, and I'm very, very, very passionate about acting. In fact, I'm not exaggerating, but I have realized this. I can be doing 10 things, but you know, acting will be the thing which can boost my morale and lift up my spirits and just make me happy doing a good scene, working on a good project. So yes, when I took a break from Crime Patrol and I cut down the number of days I was shooting for Crime Patrol, and I decided that I want to focus on films and OTT web series and all. So last year I did uh, 4 web series, which are going to come this year now on all these well-known platforms. So my roles are very different. I'm very happy that people have not kind of typecast me in a certain image. Like I feel that my image is of a very upright, um, good guy kind of a role, uh, but I think the roles I've been doing in these projects which are coming now are very different.
Oh,
I'm
that's
not saying that they are all negative roles. Yes, there is a negative role also, but there are characters which are of gray shade. You know, it's not that I'm like very nice, goody goody, an upright kind of a guy who always talk perfect. So I'm playing characters which are faulty, which are um, which can make mistake, and they are complicated, they are confused. So I hope that you know by the end of this year, I think July onwards, all the projects which I've done will start coming one by one.
yes, that's very interesting. In fact, the kind of roles you've said, we want to see you in those roles. We've seen you in the past, but maybe in the last few years, you were this upright guy for everybody, thanks to Crime Patrol. So, of course, the
Yeah,
upright
yeah,
guy will keep watching on Crime Patrol, but the other guy
yes,
we want to see in shows. So, tell me, did you have a blast playing a negative character?
absolutely. And you know the character which I'm talking about is it's not negative in like in a pure negative character जो हमेशा बुरा काम करता है. It's about see we all have that kind of a negative shade in our life. For example, I always say that uh, you know having an emotion of jealousy, having an emotion of anger or frustration, it's very normal. In fact, if you don't have these emotions, then you are little away from normal. We all have these kind of emotions, but
Yeah.
only thing is that the degree of these emotions have to be controlled. You can't just go haywire with these emotions. You can't cross the line. So the character I am playing a negative character who's a guy who wants to do certain things, and he's passionate about certain things, and he wants certain things, but he he knows that he has to take a wrong route to get into that area. So he tells himself also कि यार मैं क्या करूं, मतलब मैं जानता हूँ ये गलत है, लेकिन मुझे करना पड़ेगा. So you know that makes the character a little more colorful and interesting, where you are not just out and out bad guy के जैसे होता है ना फिल्मों में विलन कि मैं तो बुरा ही काम करता हूँ. So that makes the character a little more colorful. So I really enjoyed doing that.
Looking forward to watching that, Anu. So, on that
Thank
note,
you.
thank you so much for being with us on this chat and sharing your future plans.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And please take care. Stay safe.
You too.